Hi, my name is Lauren, and in this video I will be discussing chemical usage and storage. We use a variety of chemicals in our day-to-day operations. Keeping our customers, coworkers, and ourselves safe is our #1 priority, as it should be. The proper usage and storage of these chemicals is a very important part of this goal. The same chemicals we use to clean and sanitize items to keep our customers safe can be toxic or deadly if used improperly or ingested. Chemical safety is a big deal. Chemicals need to be stored in specific locations. This can be either in a chemical storage room or in a very clearly marked area used exclusively for the storage of chemicals. All chemicals should be returned to these areas when not in use. No other items should be stored in these areas, especially items that may later come into contact with food. Chemicals need to be stored in their original containers whenever possible. The container label will contain everything you need to know about the chemical. If the original container is not practical for usage, you must label the secondary container with a pre-printed manufacturer's label. It is not enough just to write the name of the item on the container. These labels are available for the items we regularly use. Check with your supervisor regarding the location. Never store any chemicals in a cup or container that we would normally associate with food. Before using any chemical, you should read the entire label. It will tell you all of the information that you need to use properly and safely. It will also tell you what to do if it is used improperly or ingested. The label will tell you about any personal protective equipment or PPE that you will need to wear while using the chemical. Be sure to double check the label to make sure the product in your hand is the one you want to use before you spray or use it. Sometimes products from the same manufacturer will look almost identical. To find further information about any chemical, you may refer to the MSDS book. MSDS stands for Material Safety Data Sheets. The book contains detailed information on all chemicals used in the unit. Each sheet tells you in great detail all of the side effects, chemical components, what protective equipment you should wear when handling it, what to do if you ingest it, toxicity, flammability, and more. It is there for your information because you have the right to know what products you are handling. Please become familiar with the location of this book in your unit. Chemicals should only be used as directed on the label and only when food is not being prepared or served in the area. Chemicals should never be mixed with each other, only water as directed, as this can have unintended or tragic consequences. If you are using a caustic chemical, you should stay in the area until the job is done to keep others from coming into contact with it. Okay, that concludes our video. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have questions, ask your supervisor.